What's up, YouTube land? People have been saying I haven't put out any painting videos lately, so I'm gonna bring you along. Paint this refrigerator. It's going black, so I already got the doors off, as you can see. The handle off. I gotta get this one off over here on the other side. Show you how they come off. How they come off on this one. Oh, might need two hands for this. Whoa. And you can get to the screw. Now I need to clean this thing off and get all the nicotine and whatnot off of it. Show you what I'm going to use to do that. Spray 9 multi-purpose cleaner and disinfectant. This stuff works awesome. If you haven't tried it, I suggest that you get some and try it out. I ended up using a gray Scotch Brite pad with it. But that spray 9 works real good. This is what I'm spraying the fridge with. Alright, this is the following day. It's still pretty cold out here. I'm sure this paint's not even close to being cured, because it's like 40 degrees in here or something like that. But I did have the heat in here for a little bit. Got it up to like 68 degrees with this heater here. And then I shut it off, and that was it for the evening. And I think it got down to, like I said, like about 40 degrees in here. It's probably like 40, I don't know, lower 40s in here right now. Could have used probably another coat, excuse me, of paint on here, but I didn't have it. I used what I had on it, and I mean, you can't really tell here, but when I had my flashlight shining on it, you could see like down in where it kind of dipples in there, that it was just a little hint of white. But I don't think you'll see it in the house. I can't see it without having a flashlight on it, so I think it'll be good. That's what she looks like in the house. Excuse the mess, but looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Been nice if that was like a darker color, but at least it matches the stove now.